Hello guys, binigyan tayo ng sopas sa ating kapitbahay guys, sa ating kababayan guys. Ayan, maraming salamat sa iyo, kababayan. Ang dami. Thank you, daming blessing. Thank you God. Okay. Kasi yung panganay hindi pa nagla-lunch, kaya ito daw yung lunch niya. Come, auntie give you. I give you. This one you cannot finish. Oh my God, I have chicken.
I want to finish all.
You cannot finish yan. This one so many. Later auntie eat.
I can finish all. This so less.
I don't want this. Hey, I tell you so hot.
Then why you go near me? Don't do.
Okay, this one for you. This one auntie, ah.
The auntie don't.